We know the fairy garden is popular, a must-see location on every child's visit to the now. In this week's video, we'll show you how to make a fairy house for your own garden. From your activity pack, take out the following materials: the paper cup, the bowl, the door and windows, the bugs, which are either ladybirds or colourful bees, your crayon, and the strip of sticky pads. Turn your bowl upside down and colour it in as you like. This could be spotty, stripy, or squiggly. Perhaps you could even draw some flowers. Put 6 sticky pads on the bottom of your cup. Press the cup in firmly so that it sticks to the inside of your bowl. Use the remaining sticky pads to attach the windows and door to your fairy house. One last touch is to stick the bugs onto your mushroom. Next week we'll be making bird feeders. For this you will need peanut butter, birdseed, ribbon and crayons from your activity pack. You will also need scissors and a spoon or knife for the peanut butter. If you're making a peanut butter rainbow feeder, you should find a piece of cardboard such as a cereal box that you can use as a back. If you have a peanut allergy, we will show you an alternative method. For this, save a plastic bottle and also find a twig. We love to see what you've created, so please share some photos or videos with us. If you give us permission, these will feature in our online gallery. You can email photos to aucklandleconnections@hotmail.com or send via Facebook. We hope you've enjoyed creating a fairy house and hope you'll join us next Wednesday at 11 AM for or the bud feeder create-along.